Hello everyone, welcome to demo 2 of Analyze Ether platform. And today we are going to see how we can do meta-analysis or get an overview of what is happening globally on the Ethereum blockchain by running some queries. So to do that, we'll first go to the new queries tab. And what we're interested in knowing is how many blocks are mined on a daily basis and what are the total number of transactions on a daily basis and such meta information. So to do that, let us just have a look at what are the types of data available in our uh, blocks column. We are selecting everything from the blocks column, and we are interested in looking at only the top 10 rows. So we see that we have block hash, parent hash, difficulty, block number, gas used, what is the address of the miner, the timestamp when this block was mined, any extra data that the miner added, the gas limit, the total number of transactions, and uncle. Uh, since we want to do this analysis on a daily basis, we somehow want to convert this timestamp column into a date column. And so to do that, we have a function which takes the timestamp in seconds and converts it into a much better format. So we see we have added this new date column, which has the date, but also has the hour, the number of minutes and number of seconds this block was mined at in UTC time. So we'll take only the part which has the date. We'll take the first 10 letters of the string. And so basically we have a new date column which tells the date as well. And now we can do grouping with respect to this date column and get the total number of blocks mined, or so we can say count the number of rows in that particular date. And we execute this query. We see that at this particular date 5,600 blocks are mined and so on and so forth. But we can add more columns. We can say give me the total number of transaction counts, total number of uncle count, and we also want to see how much average gas was used with respect to the gas limit in the block. And so we are doing this analysis for a day-to-day basis. I think I missed a comma over here. Yep. So we see on this particular date, on an average, we consume 0.87 gas. We mined 5,800 blocks and we had almost 700,000 transactions. Now that we have access to the table that we want, let us now build some visualizations. So the first visualization that we'll build is for the total blocks mined with respect to the date. So these are the total number of blocks mined for every date, and we see that this date, which is the current date, is not up, has very low number of blocks because only 1,000 blocks have been mined currently. So we will remove the current date from our table, and so we see other than current date, yesterday, which was June 12, we got almost 5,700 blocks. And you can do more visualization, so you can do visualization for total transactions, or you can compare how the blocks were mined with respect to the uncles, for example. You can add a new. And so this kind of meta-analysis you can do for both the Ethereum mainnet, and when other layer 2 solutions come, for example, plasma chains or other side chains or different shards, you can do meta-analysis on top of that and compare several plasma chains together or several shards together. So that's all from our side on this second tutorial demo, and let us analyze Ether together. Thanks a lot.